Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the different types of trading. Many beginners don't know that trading is not just one method. There are several types, each with its own style, strategy, and time frame. So let's explore them one by one. 1. Day trading. First, we have day trading. In this type, traders open and close their positions within the same day. The goal is to take advantage of short-term price movements. Day traders usually look at charts, technical indicators, and market news. This method requires quick decision-making and constant focus because trades can change direction within minutes. 2. Swing trading. Second, there's swing trading. Swing traders hold their trades for a few days or even weeks. They try to capture price swings in the market. This type of trading doesn't require watching the screen all day, but you still need to analyze charts, trends, and patterns carefully. Swing trading is great for people who cannot trade full-time, but still want to participate actively. 3. Scalping. Next, we have scalping. This is the fastest and most intense type of trading. Scalpers open multiple trades within seconds or minutes, aiming for very small profits each time. Because of the large number of trades, scalpers need high focus, fast internet, and strong discipline. Even small mistakes can lead to big losses. 4. Position trading. Then we have position trading. Position traders hold trades for weeks, months, or even years. This is more like long-term investing. Position traders rely on fundamental analysis, like economic news, company earnings, or global events, rather than short-term price charts. It is slow but can be highly rewarding if you catch a strong trend. 5. Options and futures trading. There are also options and futures trading. These are more advanced types of trading where you don't directly buy or sell an asset, but instead trade contracts based on the asset's price. Options and futures allow traders to hedge risk or make speculative bets. However, they can be very risky if you don't understand them properly. So today we learned about 5 major types of trading: day trading, swing trading, scalping, position trading, and options and futures. Each type has its own advantages and challenges. If you are a beginner, start with simple strategies, learn gradually, and choose the style that matches your personality and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly trading lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.